How to find face recognition on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find the face recognition option on your Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app. Click on those three lines up there, click on the setting icon beside the search icon, and here scroll down until you find face recognition. So this is it. This is face recognition settings. On my phone it's not longer available, and the experience it made it possible have been disabled, something like this. So this is how you find face recognition on your phone. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.